Hi, so I'm here again with another member of the Sea Shanty Collective. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Lila from the London Sea Shanty Collective.
Great, it's nice to meet you, Lila. So why don't you tell us what it is that you'll be doing for Totally Thames?
So this year we're really excited to be coming back to Totally Thames. We will be sharing a mini documentary which will be about some of the stories members of our choir have been researching.
I once was a rigger and I worked like hell.
Rolling up, rolling down.
Now I'm working for the OCL and go
Rolling down the river. Rolling up, rolling down. We'll all get drunk in Tilbury Town. 24 hours to turn around and go rolling down the river.
There are over 30 of us in the choir, and we've split up into little teams to look at some different topics. So one of those are the songs and stories connected to shipwrecks in the River Thames. Another one is the history of pubs and drinking along the River Thames, which we're very enthusiastic about. And the third one is the stories of workers on the Thames, people who worked in the ship dockyards, in the shipping industry, their stories and songs. And then the fourth story is around the Lascars, the Bengali sailors who worked on the banks of the Thames, on the British fleet, and have been living in London, the Bengali community, for over 400 years.
Wow, that sounds really interesting.
When first I saw a TEU
Rolling up, rolling down.
I wondered where they stowed the crew.
Rolling down the river. Rolling up, rolling down. We all get drunk in Tilbury Town. 24 hours to turn around and go rolling down the river.
So how many groups of there are you who are researching the different elements of your art, sorry?
So there are 4 different teams that we've come together on Zoom, and we're putting together all the songs and stories and research and photos online.
Well, the cargo comes in TEU.
Rolling up, rolling down.
It's a 20-foot box, boys, filled with booze.
Rolling down the river. Rolling up, rolling down. We all get drunk in Tilbury Town. 24 hours to turn around and go rolling down the river.
Has it been hard to adjust?
Yeah, we, as a choir, we love coming together to sing in harmony, to try out new types of music, and when you're going through sort of online video calls, trying to sing in harmony is almost impossible. So we're having to record all the parts individually, email them to someone, mix them together. So it's an entirely new way for a choir to function.
It sounds like a lot of work, but from what you've said, I'm sure it'll be very interesting, and I can't wait to see it. Okay, thank you for joining us.